Hey guys, today, oh my god, I haven't even turned my lights on. Oh my god. Okay. That was a bad start. Okay. Hi guys, today, I know I am, like 5 months too late, but we're going to be trying out the COLOURPOP Valentine's Day collection, and I feel so embarrassed even saying that, but I don't care, I'm doing it. I know a few of you guys, or like probably a lot of you guys, have picked up this collection, and we're going to be playing with it. Gosh, I don't even know if they still have this collection, but honestly, it's the makeup world. There's always dupes available. There's always similar things coming out, so let's have a look though. Oh cool, okay, so there's still a few things on here that you can get. Some of them are out of stock, but you can get a few things. So it came with the all-nighter skincare mini kit, which I have here. I won't be using this today, but I just thought I'd show you because it's part of the collection. It comes with a cleanser, a face mist, a face milk, and a lip mask. I'm very excited to try all those out. I've been using the coconut face milk. I think this one in here is rose. Yeah, there's a rose one in here, but I love the coconut one. It's been going really well, so I'm excited to have more of that. It came with 3 palettes. I have 2 of them here. I have 143 and Melt For You, and then there was another one that was like a bit deeper, and it was called SWAK. I don't know what that means. Am I silly, or I don't know what that stands for. I feel like it'll be something super obvious. No, I don't know what it stands for. I'm silly. If anyone knows what that stands for, let me know. Then it came with... Did it come with lashes? I don't think it did. Came with the Pink Truffle Soul Mini Dry Oil, which I have. I won't be using this in this video once again because this is like a body care thing. But I've been using one of these at home. I mean, in the bathroom at the moment as well. I've been using just the... I think it's like an orange one, but this one's in the shade Pink Truffle, and it's gorgeous. Then it also came with the Pink Truffle Shimmering Body Powder, which I'm going to use on my face. It says Face and Body Highlighter, so I will be using this today. And it also came with 3 blushes, and I have 1 blush here today because the other ones I've obviously put in like giveaways and stuff because they weren't my shade. And then it also came with this little mirror, and then the last thing it came with was like a little face, like a little love heart stamp, I'm pretty sure. So anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to be playing with the palettes, then we'll put the blush on, and then we will put the highlighter on and finish up. I'm actually kind of surprised that it didn't come with any lip products. Let me just have a look. So I don't think it did come with any lip products though, which I was quite surprised about. I thought it would have definitely had lip products, but okay. So these are the 2 palettes we have here. This one is broken, but this is the 143, and then we also have the Melt For You. So I'm gonna be I think I'll start with 143. I'm not gonna lift this palette up because, like I said, it's broken. I wonder if I should just get rid of that shade. Anyway, so I'm gonna start with it's like a light pink shade, and it's called QT. I'm gonna be starting, actually no, I'm gonna start with the Melt For You palette, and we're gonna take this really light peachy shade. It's called Sweetie. But before I do that, I'm just gonna put my P. Louise base in Rumor 01. I love ColourPop. I have so many of their collections to show you guys. I have the Bambi one, I have the Hello Kitty one, the Barbie, the Limoncello. I have quite a few, so. Plus I also have some new brow products from them. I've got like some blushes, some mini eyeshadow palettes, so I am honestly set for life with ColourPop. Thank you, ColourPop, you are the best and I adore you. But yeah, today we are playing with this one because I thought I'll just start, you know, the oldest one because I'm already well overdue. So alright, so I'm going to just take a big fluffy. We're going to take Sweetie out of the Melt For You palette. These palettes are really pretty, and we're just going to start by putting her in the crease and This one's gonna be like the shade closest to the brow. So we're just kind of gonna put her all over just so we can use her as like a transition, you know? Feels so nice to be getting back into YouTube. I'm currently uploading every single day at the moment. I'm what's the day? 7 days into that. I'm a week into it, so it's been going well. As for moving forward, because I said to myself, and I told you guys on Instagram, I said I am uploading every day again for the month of July. I said we'll see how it goes for the future, but I'm not making any promises because last year I put too much pressure on myself and it ended up just blowing back up in my face. So I'm just going to see how I go for July. If I need to take off August or, you know, drop back down to 1 video a week or something for August, then I'm going to do that. So yeah, we'll see how we go. But so far, so good. I'm really enjoying it again. It's not even feeling like a struggle, which is great. It's just like I never stopped doing it. Like it's just going really well, which is awesome. We'll see how we go, but so far, so good. Everything is going very well. Alright, that's that first Sweetie shade on. It's quite peachy and quite light, but that's perfect for what I need for today. Going into the 143 palette, I'm sorry I can't lift it up to show you guys the colours, but I'm going for the lightest pink in the palette, and I'm putting that one down just a little bit further. So not quite up to the brow, but we're just gonna start to build up this pinky colour. Okay, I'll leave it like that, and then we can blend it in a minute. Alright, we'll just get a little bit of pigment off that brush and we will blend. So we'll just blend that shade out. Pink is really not my colour. I am not a pink girl, but what are we gonna do? What are you gonna do about it, you know? I have a pink palette, so we're gonna make it work. Alright, taking a little bit of a smaller brush, I'm going in for the really hot pink of the shade. It's called LOML, which I know what that one means. That one means love of my life. Wow, look at it, it's super bright, super neon. That's a very cool shade. So I'm just gonna build this one up. This is gonna be like the main colour for our eye look today. So cool, isn't that? I really, really like that shade. So yeah, I'm just patting it on and we can blend it out in a minute. Goes on really vibrant and very nice. Okay, something like that. I'm just going to take a bit of a smaller blender brush and I'm just going to get that and start to blend at the edge of this. It's blending really nicely actually, which is good. It's buffing out really well, which is always good. We love a nice, easy, blendable shadow. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the QT shade because I just want a bit more of that. Then I'm going to go back into the LOML and really build that up. Also, I think I've just decided that I want to do a full cut crease. I haven't done a full cut crease in so long. So I'm going to bring that along a bit more too. And don't worry, we are going to blend. So this LO or Love of My Life shade does have quite a bit of fallout in the pan. It is it's like a matte, but it has like a shimmer through it. But yeah, it's very fallouty in the pan. I don't care, but just in case any of you guys do. I know you guys are looking at me right now like, what? Give it time, okay? Once again, just blending, 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 blending. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm also gonna do just a bit more blending off camera because I need to listen to something or I'm gonna drive myself crazy, like just sitting here in silence for this long blending. But yeah, I'll be back when my crease is cut. Okay, so I've cut my creases now, and now we're going to take a shimmer. So I don't know what one to choose. I kind of want to take the one in the ColourPop palette. I mean, obviously they're both ColourPop palettes. The one that is broken. This is what it looks like. It's called Aw. It is a very pretty shade. But I don't know. Because it's broken, I'm like, I don't want it to be too chunky. In the other palette, there's one called Dipped. which is pretty, and there's one called Bon Bon. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna put Dipped on the outer corner, Bon Bon on the inner corner, and then there's a glitter in the other palette, and I think that one's gonna go in the middle to tie them together. That sounds really nice. Let's do that. So, taking Dipped first, putting her in the outer corner. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my god. What could I've just done to my face? I'm gonna need like a full clean up before we put foundation on. Alright, so I'll leave it like there. We'll do the other side. And we can put on the lighter shade. Okay, so I'm bringing it to get about halfway across the eyelid, just kind of shearing it out towards the middle so that when we put the other shade on, it blends into it nicely. Okay, now I'm taking Bon Bon. You can't honestly tell too much, but it's just like a nice, very subtle transition, which I think is very cute. That is that. And now I'm going to take a bit of that glitter, just a really small amount. It's called My Boo and it's such a pretty glitter. And I'm just going to put a really small amount of that just where those two colours meet. Just like that. That's all we need. And I do really want to do some liner today, because I just feel like black liner with this look will just tie it together. Alright, I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to do the liner, do my lashes, and then I'll come back after I've done my face and when it's ready for blush and highlight time. Okay, so I finished my face now. I used the Morphe mascara, I used the Doll Beauty lashes in Samantha. What else did I use? I used the MAC Strobe Cream, Laura Mercier Flawless Luminaire Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I used the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer, the Anastasia Loose Powder, the Fenty Press Powder, and the Fenty Bronzer. So now we're going to get into the blush. So this is called Kiss and Tell. This is the Purist powder blush from ColourPop. And guys, I just absolutely love the compartment. I remember when I was unboxing this, I said I was going to get a tattoo in the font, because you guys can see it's like this kind of like old English style font. And I did. It's on my leg. I have a tattoo that in this font that says Always Growing. And yeah, that's my little story. I did end up getting a tattoo in that font. Oh my god, guys, because I have stuff in my hands, it's already like made this so dirty. I can't get this open. It's such, oh god, okay, I got it. Alright, what a beautiful blush. Like, that is just such a stunning blush, and it looks to be quite pigmented, so I'm just gonna go in with a real little bit. Very natural and really nice colour. I really like it. I feel like this would suit a more natural look, because it's not quite, I feel like it's not quite pink enough for this look. Alright, but yeah, I'm just going to use just a little bit. It's really pretty though. Really cute, just looks super natural, which I love. Now we're going to take the highlighter. So this is the Soul Face and Body Highlighter in Pink Truffle. Oh, it's such a stunning shade. I'm really worried. I feel like it's going to be a bit dark, but oh my god, it's stunning. Is it too? Yeah, it's a little bit dark. Ooh, that is absolutely beautiful. I think I might put some of this on my inner corner as well. Look at it. It's literally like blinding. It smells amazing too. That is so stunning. Let me put some on my inner corner. I feel like this is really gonna complete the look. Oh my god, I'm having so much trouble trying to get this. Alright, should we do some ASMR? How was that? Satisfying? What the hell? Why is there a huge chunk out of my highlighter? Did I do that? I must have. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my hair, put some lips on, and I'll be back. Okay, and this is the finished look. I really love it. I think it looks so pretty. These are the eyes. I actually really love them. I think they look beautiful. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. As I said, I'm so sorry that I'm so late, but yeah, I really love this look. I love this collection, and yeah, I have lots more ColourPop collections on the way, so make sure you stay tuned. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.